Hello guys and welcome to Guru School. This is Arun, Python trainer in Guru School. So today I'm gonna start in topic in Python string data type, how it's working in string data type. I'll be explaining you today. So before I'll be explaining our Guru School regarding some information. So Guru School, first of all, those kind of services providing. So what kind of service? First you try to understand. It's a consulting and outsourcing company. It's a IT training and healthcare related IT training software also provider service, and it's around in market in 24 years service, those kind of area. Okay, so another thing is Guru School is unique feature that gonna six pillar of outsourcing offering. Okay, Guru School. So that I'll be explaining you here. You can see here instructor lead in training first. Then after that, once you have to join the course, here will be first instructor lead in 1-to-1 training. After that completion of training, then it will be certification will be given in Guru School. After that, resume preparation will be help out in trainer Guru School. Everything in how will be prepared in resume as a experience as a fresher, how to in regarding professional resume, that regarding in Guru School also providing those kind of service. After that, here is interview preparation, like our own vendor interview, how to crack this interview. Trainer also help out how to prepare interview preparation, and also client interview, how to prepare the client interview, get the job. Everything will be our job. Trainer will be help out internally in-house trainer, and also share project support after completion. After getting the job, here is free support in any kind of complexities problem you have to face in your working, get the job. Then project support also here Guru School provide in 6 months free. Okay, that's all in our Guru School regarding. So let's start in topic. So topic is today is Python string data type. So I gonna start in Python string. Before that, I'll be explaining first in theoretically, then I'll be go for the practical. First of all, string data type. What is the string data type? String data type Python, how to understand? First of all, you try to understand Python string will be understand single quotation inside any kind of character or number, anything. Single quotation inside, yeah, double quotation inside any kind of data. Python will be understand this is the string data type. Okay, but one line, it's okay, fine. Single quotation, yeah, double quotation is the string data type. Okay, string data type, one line. But multiple lines, yeah, paragraph you want to uh, represent, yeah, print, then Python would be understand the string data type. Then how to do it? It's a single quotation in 3 times that, then end with three times, right? So this is the paragraph will be represent. Okay, multiple lines you can say. The same thing like double quotation 3 times end with some uh, double quotation 3 times in double quotation. Both are same. String data type Python only understand either single quotation start end, yeah, double quotation start end. Okay, so inside whatever, it's a string data type Python has considered. But thing is that whatever data one variable through, you can store that string data, you can print, then print it. Okay, whole data is print, but particular character I want to print, then how to print? Suppose you assume this is the string data type Python, right? So Python is a string data type. Here I want to access particular y, yeah, t, this character. Then here is concept is what is that? By using the index. Another is slice operator. One by one I'll be explain. So indexing concept first try to understand. This is the string data type Python. So here is indexing, forward indexing, backward indexing. So here you can say forward direction or backward direction, anything you can say. But thing is that here is forward in indexing 0 onward, it will be start 0 1 2 3 4 5. So like that is backward indexing. The reverse way -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6, right? So in this way is indexing in string data type in Python. So let's start in practically, right? So practically I'll show you everything. Okay, so let's see, gonna start in practically. First of all, whatever will be discussion in string data type, I'll show you first. You can see here single quotation inside I'm just mentioning in Python. Okay, so now I'm print s. Okay, so you can see here it's a string data type will be showing. How to run the Python file? Python space str dot py, right? So it will be run. It's a represent in Python output. It's a single line. Okay, it's a single line representation. It's okay. Python, our base language, base language, right? So now this data I want to print. Then you can see here it's a print. Okay, it's a type you want to check. You can using this function. What is that type? Okay, so then inside you just pass this variable. Then you can check here which kind of data types. You can see it's a class type is string data type, because single quotation inside whatever data, it's a string data type. But you want to print, then whole data is printing. Okay, but I want to print it multiple data, so it's a error single quotation inside. Okay, right? But how to print in paragraph in string? Single quotation three times and end with three times. Then it's okay, fine. Multiple lines you can print. Okay, no problem. Okay, you can see here I'm printing in multiple lines, no issue. But single quotation is one line, either single quotation or double quotation, no problem, but any one. You can see here I'm putting in double quotation three times, here I'm end with three times. So this is represented as a string data type in Python. It's a string data type. So string data type, how to represent, I just show of you right now. But thing is that question is here, I want to print in only this position. Yeah, this character. Oh, how to print it? Okay, let's say I just take in one single lines string data type. Then I'll show you here. See here, Python is a string one of the data types. So now I am print this data types. You can see here print. I'm here printing in s. Then whole data type is printing. Okay, but I want to print in only t. I want to print. Then how to print it? Through indexing. What is that indexing? I already show up you. You can see here indexing. See, it's a indexing is Python here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a positive way, it's a negative way, it's a backward. So right now I'll be show you how to accessing in t. T index is 2. Okay, so now print t, sorry, 2 index. So index is start in positive way 0, 1, 2. Tooth position is t. So now I am printing in t. So you can see here, get the result in sorry, is square bracket inside. You can pass that index. I'm just passing in wrongly. Okay, let's see. You can get the t, that particular. So in this way you can indexing, you can pass it only single index. You can pass, you can try to multiple index at a time. I'll just trying to fourth of index, it's not possible, only single index. You can see indexing in out of range. So, okay, so that's fine. So right now question is that suppose it's a positive way. Okay, but I want to in negative way. How to access in negative way? Indexing, you can see here print s of square bracket. Then I want to print in, I just comment in these two lines. Now I want to print in 0, sorry, o, n o, reverse way. Then what is that index? You just calculate -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So I need in this position, which position? -1 in -2. So just pass in -2. So then you can see here result o is getting n. So in this way indexing concept is forward indexing and backward indexing. Forward is positive way, it's start is 0th onward, whatever data is string data. Okay, but negative way, it's a -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. sorry, minus 6. In this way you can access that particular string data, particular character. But question is that here I want to access in this position to this position, THO, how to access. So now its topic is coming what? Slicing concept. Indexing, I hope you all of you understand. So now its topic is slicing concept. Slicing concept is very, very important. So try to understand in slicing concept. Okay. So see here. Okay, so if index is not found by using an indexing concept, is a positive way, negative way, I'll show you. It's in this way you can access. Here is something is not here. If we are trying to access in character particular string out of range in index, it will be get a error in index error. You can see here I am here passing, suppose minus 2, it's a 6, I am passing in minus 8. It's not is available that particular index, because up to 6 is minus 1, minus 2, minus 6. So I am passing in index in minus 8. Okay, so let's see, say index error. Okay, you just see here, out of range means index, it will be indexing error. You always get this kind of error. Okay, you that time you can solve out of range. Okay, so let's see, next topic is slicing. Assessing character by using in slicing operator. Slicing operator, first of all, why will be this? Because this position to this position data I want, but indexing through only particular that character it's you are eligible to access. But right now question is this position to this position data I want. Then how to solve it? Then you can use in slicing concept. So slicing concept, this is the syntax. Okay, this is the begin index, this is the end index, end with colon, begin index, end index, then colon, step. So it's a whatever string data type. So this is the thing, this is the syntax in particular slicing index, begin index, end index, and steps. So first of all, you can see here from where we have to consider slicing some string end weeks, we have to terminate slicing in end index in minus 1. Okay, whenever terminating, you are retrieving the data in slicing, always you remember end index in minus 1. Okay, steps means increment the value. It's a by default, suppose you will be not given in begin index, it's a consider as a 0. End index means whatever string in last that nth number of data, and steps is by default 1. Okay, so how it's represent, how it's working in slicing index, that I'll be explaining you practically. Okay, let's start in practical slicing concept. Let's see string data. So as per syntax, okay, this is the string data I want to print in slicing, right? See here is, okay, so here is slicing, I just mentioned in slicing. So now here I'm just passing in as for documents in start index, end index. I'm already told you it's start index. Suppose I'll be not given, then it will be start index consider as a 0, end index consider as a nth number. Let's see, check. Okay, so now I'll be suppose not pass, so you can see here column color. Okay, then it's a see what is that data is coming. Okay, you can see whole data is coming. Okay, because it's starting is 0. Here consider I'm not given in anything 0 starting index, I'm not given in anything last index, because it's a consider in which position, nth position I'm not passing, then it will be consider last. It's a 6, then it's a by default is 1 is positive way. It's okay. So now question is that slicing concept, in this way I'll be access that particular whole string of data, but I want to access in yth. Then how to access in positive way, because it's a by default is consider is positive way. Okay, you are not here mention 1, it's a consider as a 1. Okay, but I want to yth. So right now indexing concept already told you how to indexing 0, 1, 2, 2 position to ho 2, 3, 4. So up to that I'll be passed, then you will be get that result. Okay, suppose I'll be passing here tooth index is t 0, 1, 2, then 3, then 4. But here is twist, already told you here is note. What is that? Whenever end index we have terminated the slicing substring, just end with end index minus 1, because you are retrieving in data up to that tho always you have to whenever retrieving the data and that slicing, so do in -1. Okay, -1 means up to you will be given, suppose 2, I'll be given here 2 3 fourth position. 4 minus 1 means it will be considered 2 3, only data will be coming th, right? So let's see, check. Okay, it's a commented. Okay, I'll comment out. Let's see, check. So th is coming. So you want to you want accessing this position to this position, then you just plus it here, nth, n plus 1. Okay, so fourth position not pass, you can pass in 5. Automatically it will be minus, then you can get it tho. So now you can see here, get this tho. But here question is that here by default this steps is 1. So as for your requirement, you can steps also, you can change it. Suppose you will be not passed, then it will be considered positive way 1. So now I am passing in 2. Now I am start with 0th position onward. Then here is 0 1 2 3 4 5, then 6. 1 0 1 2 3 4 5, then plus 1 6. So I am just passing in 6. Then here is steps is 2, not in 1. Then steps, how to its data is coming, first is print in 0, then y will be skip, then t will be result in this one, then h is skip, then o will be print, then n will be skip, then no data is after that. So I think pto is the result is coming, I hope. So let's see, check PTO. I hope you understand in this way steps according to your requirement. You can put it here. Suppose I have to put in 3, then according to that data will be getting. Okay, you can see here 0 1 2. Okay, this data is go this ph, after that this, then after that no data. So then ph, I think data is coming ph. Let's see here. So it's a positive way, right? But I want to in negative way. So how to negative way will be print, I'll just comment it. Okay, so now I'll just negative way, I'll just show you data. You can see here. So I'm just here passing in colon, then -1. Let's see, indexing way already explained you here. Okay, let's see. You can see here negative way indexing -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6. Okay, so it's a negative way, right? So negative way I'll show you. You can see here how to negative way will be represent. And just here column means by default it's a consider as 0th position, then it's consider as a what is that, it's end position, this position. So then you can see here the result is coming in reverse way, the string data. Okay, let's see, it's a reverse way, whole data is coming. But question is that I want to access in this n, sorry, oath onward oht, then how it's get it. You can see here my reverse way, I want to print in oht. Then oath position is what, -1 is n, then oath position is indexing position is -2. Okay, then here I am just passing in -2. Then here I want to print in our target is OHT. I want to print. Then oath position is index is -2. I am passing. Then 3 -3, it's a -4. But here is you can plus it. Already I am told you rule is whatever indexing just -1 is considered whenever retrieving. Just you want to print means you just plus it. Here indexing is -1, -2, -3, -4, then -5 you just pass here. Okay, you can see here I'm just passing in -5. So let's see, you can see here the result oht is coming or not. I hope you understand or not. Suppose I'll be not pass here 2, then it will be considered as a 0. Okay, no problem. Sorry, -1. You can see -1 up to -5. Okay, here you can see NOHT. So I hope I understand. Okay, n minus 1 minus 2 h, because 5 minus 1 fourth position data is retrieving, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. So this is this in this way you can slicing concept which position to which position data particular string you want to access. So you can use in slicing concept you can, for positive way you can access, otherwise you can access in negative way. So in this way you can indexing also same in the positive way, particular one character you want to access, through indexing you can print it. Okay, so positive way, yeah, negative way. So this is the concept of string data type regarding indexing and slicing concept. I hope all of you understand. So last I'll just show you, this is the thing is that 1 minute, this is the our last service I'll just explain you. So it's here GuruSchool providing those kind of service is free all are here, IT training and clarification, so interview support and project support. Anything more is required, so below address please contact. Okay, so thanks for all. Okay, so I'll be wind up today. Okay, thank you.